Valuematics Australia. Design Thinking Ideate. In the design thinking process, ideation is a phase where you and your team generate various creative ideas. The goal is to explore different possibilities and solutions to the problem you are trying to solve. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to approach ideation in the design thinking process. 1. Understand the problem. Start by clearly defining the problem you want to solve. Empathize with the users and gain a deep understanding of their needs, challenges, and aspirations. This understanding will guide your ideation process. 2. Assemble a diverse team. Form a multidisciplinary team with people from different backgrounds, skills, and perspectives. Diverse teams tend to generate more varied and innovative ideas. 3. Set the stage. Create a conducive environment for ideation. Use brainstorming rooms, whiteboards, sticky notes, and other creative tools. Set a positive and open-minded atmosphere where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. 4. Use ideation techniques. Employ various ideation techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, role-playing, or sketching. Encourage participants to think beyond constraints and explore unconventional ideas. 5. Encourage quantity over quality. During the ideation phase, focus on generating a large quantity of ideas. Avoid self-censorship and judgment. The more ideas you have, the higher the chances of finding innovative solutions. 6. Build on each other's ideas. Encourage participants to build upon and combine each other's ideas. One person's suggestion can trigger a new concept in someone else's mind. Collaboration is key in ideation. 7. Stay user-centric. Keep the users in mind throughout the ideation process. How can your ideas solve their problems or fulfill their needs? Constantly refer back to the insights gathered during the empathize phase. 8. Prototype ideas. Encourage teams to create rough prototypes or mock-ups of their ideas, even if they are basic sketches or diagrams. Prototyping can help in visualizing concepts and garnering valuable feedback. 9. Embrace crazy and wild ideas. Sometimes, the most unconventional ideas can lead to groundbreaking solutions. Encourage participants to think outside the box and explore wild, seemingly impractical ideas. 10. Use time constraints. Set time limits for ideation sessions to prevent overthinking and encourage spontaneous, creative ideas. Time constraints can boost the energy and focus of the participants. 11. Capture and organize ideas. Document all generated ideas using sticky notes, digital tools, or whiteboards. Categorize and cluster similar ideas together. This organization helps in the next phases of the design thinking process. 12. Select promising ideas. After the ideation session, review the generated ideas as a team. Identify the most promising ones that align with the problem statement and user needs. These selected ideas will be further developed and tested in the prototype and testing phases. Tools and techniques. In design thinking, ideation is the process of generating a large number of diverse and creative ideas. It's a crucial phase in the design thinking process, as it helps teams explore a wide range of possibilities before narrowing down to the best solutions. Here are some techniques and strategies to facilitate effective ideation in design thinking. 1. Brainstorming. Traditional brainstorming. Gather a group of people and encourage them to freely express their ideas without any criticism. Brainwriting. Participants write down their ideas on paper and pass them around, allowing others to build on them. Online brainstorming tools. Utilize online platforms that facilitate virtual brainstorming sessions. 2. Mind mapping. Create a visual representation of ideas and their relationships. Start with a central concept and branch out into related subtopics and ideas. 3. Role storming. Participants assume the identity of someone else, real or fictional, and generate ideas from that perspective. This encourages thinking outside one's usual constraints. 4. Reverse thinking. Instead of solving the problem directly, think about how to make the situation worse. Then, brainstorm ways to avoid or reverse those negative scenarios, leading to innovative solutions. 5. Scamper technique. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse. This technique prompts participants to ask specific questions about the problem and existing solutions, stimulating creative thinking. 6. Provocation techniques. Use provocative statements or questions to challenge assumptions and encourage creative thinking. For example, what if money was not a constraint? Or, how would aliens solve this problem? 7. Storyboarding. Create a visual narrative of the user's experience, highlighting pain points and possible solutions. It helps in understanding the user journey and ideating based on specific scenarios. 8. Random stimuli. Introduce random objects, images, or concepts unrelated to the problem. Encourage participants to find connections between these stimuli and the problem, leading to unexpected ideas. 9. Collaborative ideation sessions. Foster collaboration among diverse team members, including people from different departments or with different expertise. Diverse perspectives often lead to innovative. 11. Prototype and test ideas quickly. Encourage the team to create quick and simple prototypes of their ideas. Testing these prototypes can often lead to new insights and iterations, further enhancing the ideation process. Remember, the key to successful ideation is creating a supportive and open-minded environment where all ideas are welcomed, and participants are encouraged to build upon each other's thoughts.